Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can be able to create your own custom Elementor header and footer without using Elementor Pro or without using any paid tool. All what we're going to be using in this particular tutorial is just free tools. With a free version of Elementor, you can be able to set up your own custom header and footer in minutes. Without further ado, let's go straight into the tutorial. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. You can see this is the website we are going to be creating the header and footer to. You can see this is how the website was initially. You can see how the footer and the header, how they are all looking. So let me just go to my dashboard now, and one thing you are going to, the three plugins we are going to be making use of with Elementor header and footer, then Elementor elements. These are the three free plugins we are going to be making use of. So now what we are going to be doing, we are going to quickly go to where we have, go to appearance, then come to header and footer. Just click on it. Now we are going to now click on add new. Now it's going to start asking you all these questions. Now if you're, so you just, let me say, to me, I'm optional. You just feeling how to your taste. Now you can click on next, or you click on, so I'm going to just click on skip. So if you feel like you can actually fill up that. Now I'm going to now click on where, now let me do something, so that I'll be able to navigate back to this place easily. So now going to, on this side, I'm going to, that's on, after I click on the header and footer, I'm going to add, this is going to be my header. So now I'm going to now go to select header, and under here on the display conditions, I'm going to select entire site, then I'm going to click on publish. So once I do that, it's going to publish the website. So I'm going to now click on edit with Elementor. So once I click on edit with Elementor, it's going to open up Elementor for me. Remember I said we are going to be making, everything we are going to be doing here is going to be totally free. We are going to make use of free resources. Now it's your choice to either switch to AI tool to start activating button. You can activate your, okay, let me just go back and activate my Elementor flex box. I can do that. Just click on activate. So it's going to open up, and what you're going to do, I'm going to just activate all. So once that is done, I'm going to now refresh. Let me refresh, reload this particular page. Let's see, it is now using container. So now what I'm going to now do is to quickly, I'm going to now come over to this particular side and click here. Remember, if you click here, it's going to start telling you to start upgrading your accounts. That's make you can see it's telling me to upgrade if I want to import any template here, but I'm going to head over to my elements kit, Everton kit, so I'm going to come to free blocks. Under my free blocks, I'm going to go to header. So I'm going to click on header. So now you can see lots of free headers I can make use of. You can see I have lots of free headers that I make use of. So now I'm going to just select one of it, and that is what we are going to be making use of. So I'm going to select this particular one. So it's going to start importing this particular template for me. So now you can see it is already importing. So if you have your site logo, you can just bring in your site logo here. So I'm going to click, I actually have my site logo, even if the logo is not actually looking that nice, but let me just show you how to import it. So going to click on, just search for site logo. You can see you have this, site logo. site logo. So now you can see we have site logo, here. This one is locked, and this one, because this one comes with the plugin, the Elementor header and footer we installed, that's what came with this. So now once I drag it in here, you're going to see it's going to bring in my site logo for me, the logo I actually have on the site. So if you have a logo on your site, it's going to appear, it's going to load up the logo for you. That's how you do that. But since since this is just for a test, I'm going to just leave it the way it is with this now. So yours might be, your logo will come here. So for this, I'm going to just leave it this way, the way it is here. So now on this particular site is going to be your menu. It's going to be your menu. So I'm going to just click here and bring in my nav menu. I'm going to search for nav menu. So I'm going to make use of this. I'm going to drag it over to this particular site. So we have my nav menu here. So now I'm going to come to layout and send it to the left. So that's how it goes. Then on this breakpoint, I'm going to make it mobile so that it breaks only on mobile version. What do I mean? Now you can see, but then I switch to my tablet, the way it was, it turns to this. So if I should make it break on mobile, it only breaks when we are on mobile version. That's when we are on this, that is when it breaks. So that, I hope you are clear about that particular aspect. So now I'm going to go ahead to this. I'm going to click here and quickly just change this so that it's going to appear clearer. I'm going to give it a color. So on hover, let it be on hover. Let me remove the hover color and make it default. I'm going to make it white also on hover so that it doesn't change. You can decide to make yours on hover any color or color. Let me say on hover it should be black. When you hover on it, it turns black. So you can see how it goes. So now what I'm going to now do is to quickly head over to where we have our, once you're done with this, you can set this up the way you want it to look like. You can add any information, you can do anything, but I'm okay with the way it is. I think everything works for me very well, since actually once you use that everything is just, you don't have less work to actually do here. So I'm going to just click here and publish the site. Now once I do that, I'm going to now refresh my website so that you see how my website looks like. You're gonna see how my website is now looking much more beautiful than what it was looking initially. So now I think we are good to go, right? So now let's just go ahead into the designing of our footer. So now you can now come to where we have, okay, I'm going to go back here and come do the same thing way I did. I'm going to go to my appearance and click on. Now I'm going to now from here, I'm going to now go to where I'll have my add new. I'm going to add new, and now I'm going to just name this anything I want to. So I'm going to name this my footer. I'm going to name this my footer, and it should be a footer. And also on the condition, it should be displayed on entire website. So now I'm going to now click on publish. Now once that is published, then I'm going to now go to where I have my edit with Elementor. I'm going to click on it, and now it's going to open up Elementor for me to proceed with my editing or with my design. So from here we can see it's open. I'm going to go do the same thing to make my web very fast as possible. I'm going to click on Everton element free kits. Now this time around we are not going to go to header, we are going to go to footer. So I'm going to click on footer. So now you can see we have several footers we can actually make use of. So but now I'm going to still make use of the one that looks similar to what we actually had on our header. So I'm going to choose this particular one. So just wait for it. It's going to start importing. So once it imports, you can see this is my footer, how it looks like. So you can see my footer is now looking cool, beautiful for me. So I can now add whatever I want to add to this particular site. So let me say, for example, after this I want to have maybe something else. So I'm going to just bring this in, add another one here, and come here and add my, let me say, okay, I'm going to be adding this here. So now what I'm just going to do, I just want to copyright a blog, the blog name, or you can just make use of anything you want to, or let me just select all of this and just bring it in, then bring it here. So it looks as if, so you can just change the text to whatever, how you want yours to be, to link everything. You can just do it the way you want it to look like. So now let me say on this particular one, I'm going to make use of a darker shade of this blue. I'm going to now come here and select. Now let's see, I'm going to select this and make use of this. You can see how everything goes beautiful. Now I'm going to now click here on this particular text. I'm going to come here and select my white color. So on to now for this link, you can see this was a link. You can just click here, and I want to change so that the color will at least will be something that is visible enough. So I can just select any one of my choice here. So I can just make it all stick to the white. I think this is okay for me. So now I'm going to now, once I'm done with that, you can see it looks as if this part, by the time I preview the website, you can look as if there's a lot of space here. You can easily adjust that by just clicking here and come to where we have this. On this, I'm going to reduce the bottom margin. You can see when I reduce the bottom margin, it gets, let me make it 30. Let me make it 30. So I'm going to, you can see how my website is now looking much more beautiful. So now I can just, on this side, you can just add your links. You can just come here and you edit whatever you want to edit. I don't need this, all these icons, so I'm going to just remove the icons and just click on them and remove the icons if you wish to. If you want them, you can actually leave them. In case you want to select a new icon, you can just click here and search for whatever you want to use, but I don't need the icons, so I'm going to leave it the way they are. So on the side, you can change the text to whatever you want to change the text to. So I just want to guide you on how to go about everything. Change the title on all of this the way you want it to. You can put your logo here on anything you want to add up. So you can just, once you're done with that, you click on publish. Once you click on publish, now let's check out our website. Looking magnificent. Wow. You can now see how we have been able to transform our website from what we actually had in that blank website to something that looks much more better and appealing to the eyes. So I believe you might have learned a lot from this particular tutorial. In case you're just joining me for the first time and you're still watching this video and you have not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please, I'll urge you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new videos and beautiful content like this. Until next time, this is where I'm going to stop. Bye for now.